Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to click subscribe button before you leave if you enjoyed this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a really quick and easy natural hairstyle. This hairstyle is inspired by Valentine. Since Valentine is around the corner, I decided to do something that was really cute and really nice. Actually, I've been thinking about doing this style for a while, but yeah, I decided to show you guys how to do it. So the front section does not have to be set. The only part that has to look neat is the part which I tried as much as possible to make it look neat. And now I'm just going to brush my hair and put that in a ponytail.
No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you.
I'm going to start flat twisting my hair. If you can cornrow this section of your hair, do you? I mean, if I could cornrow, I would definitely attempt to cornrow this part because I was adding extensions. And when I tell you this part or this section or this time I added this extension, I don't know what I did here, but it sort of worked out. It's just blended in with the cornrows. And when I tell you, when I was doing the other sections of my hair or the second part of the cornrows, I could not get it. I literally could not get it anymore. I don't know what I did here. I don't know what pattern I did, but I know I just added like extensions to the cornrow. One of the flat twist, sorry. One of the reason I'm adding the extension is because I want to take it across my face. If I was to use just my hair, it wouldn't be long enough. So if you can cornrow your hair and you can add extensions, then this can also work for you. I think a cornrow would go better because it would last longer. Anyways, I finished with the first twist, making sure it's long enough. I was feeling myself. Now I decided to start working with the second twist. You can have as many, you can just have one or two. I wanted two anyways. So I started flat twisting my hair, and this was where the struggle began. I was trying to add this one, but it kept coming off. It came off the first time. I tried again. I'm like, let's be patient, let's do it. Slowly, slowly, I was trying to calculate in my head, how did I do the first one? But guys, when I tell you this hair said psych, it came off. I said, okay, we're not going to give up. Let's try one more time. Mind you, I was still flat twisting my own hair. I was just looking at it. I'm like, who do you want to embarrass? It's not me. I I was in shock. I was in disbelief as to how this hair refused to be added onto my hair. I decided, you know what, I'll just add it towards the end, and that was what I did, and I had my peace of mind. Now I'm just going to brush the hair and make the soup de doop in the front section and continue with the rest of the hair.
New face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I that you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am not knowing how to move on without you, 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 you. Oh, without you, you, you. If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd row in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black, 'cause it's black, it's all black, black water. If I had some time, I'd be biting it well, but my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given, the doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and hope God is real. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. I'll pick you violet flowers.
Hi everyone, so I've come to the end of this video. This hairstyle is definitely cute. It's one of my favorite hairstyles to do. This ponytail is from probably HAIRSTYLES or Wings by HAIRSTYLES. I'm going to put a link in the description below. I really like these two swoop whatever I have going on here. I think it just elevates the style to not be too simple. It just gives it that oomph. It just gives it that elevation it needs. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this style. I think it's really beautiful. I think it's cute. I think I look nice. I'm going to go take pictures now because I have to. There is no way I'm going to do this hairstyle and I'm not going to take pictures, okay? So I think it's really cute. I think it's nice and laid back, not doing too much type of vibe. Where would you wear this style to? For me, I would wear it every and anywhere because it suits every occasion. I could literally wear this with an Ankara dress. I could wear this for a date night, like Valentine. This is a nice date night hairstyle. I mean, Valentine is around the corner, guys. I hope you're ready, but I had to come through for you guys so we all look good this Valentine. Even if you don't have Valentine, take yourself out and go on a date, okay? Take yourself out and go on a date and look beautiful. Maybe you'll find your Valentine there. Who knows? You never know. But yeah, don't be a bum and sit at home. Go out and have fun. Alright, I think you would look beautiful in it as well if you try it out. Let me know what you think, and also remember to send your pictures to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.